What's up, people? I hope all of you are having an amazing day. A quick market update on Bitcoin and how I am going to trade BTC in the upcoming weeks. It has been a long time since I made a YouTube video, so today I decided to actually make one and share my thoughts with all of you. So let's get started. First, I want to tell you how incredible and how crazy of a year this was, starting with an uptrend, a very solid uptrend, then flipping it into a downtrend which escalated very quickly. We saw 50% decrease in price in a single day. This has been an absolute crazy uh, year so far. Then the icing on the top of the cake was this extremely strong recovery on BTC and how price actually managed to recover all the losses it had made. Who thought that after this 50% crash in a single day, BTC would actually make that money back before the halving? So this was a very amazing period to trade. So we had 6 months full of action on Bitcoin. Altcoins not so interesting in comparison to Bitcoin, but still a lot of money to be made. Now let's kick start this video with some proper technical analysis. So first I will go into some intraday setups and how price has been trading. So you see some lines on my screen. If you are interested in actually day trading, these are the levels. So the levels that I'm watching on BTC. You can see how perfectly they have been respected. Even here, we're seeing price finding support and resistance at these levels. You have them marked as a monthly, weekly, and daily levels. So yeah, this is for day trading essentially. But what about the bigger picture? How am I trading this bigger picture here on BTC? Well, for now, this smaller time frame depends largely on the bigger picture. So everything that you see right here is making the bigger picture much more cleaner. So what do I mean by this? If we flip to a new clean chart and zoom out to the weekly, okay, we are currently at a very decisive point. I cannot explain to you how decisive this point is. In my opinion, this will set the tone for the rest of the year. Okay, for the rest of the year, we have 6 months left. BTC will either correct or will go on a really strong run. In my opinion, new highs could be met if the criterias that I'm going to explain right now are going to happen. So first of all, this high right here, you cannot imagine how easy it was to just sell at the highs. Okay, and currently we're just back at the highs. So one would expect this to be mega resistance. Okay, going or price, if price manages to get above this resistance right here that you are seeing at $10,400, you see a lot of so at this level we have huge limit sell orders set by market makers. The way that I know this is just by looking at how it taps the region and sells off. It taps the region and sells off. Is this going to be one more time tap the region and sell off? Well, we will decide but first we need more price action. But first, we need more price action on BTC in order to decide whether this is going up or down. And when I say up or down, I say in terms of a swing trade, in terms of a couple of months. Just as you can see here, it took BTC almost 3 months to get back to the highs. It took BTC 1 month to go down. So how am I trading this? So at this point, I'm looking at this consolidation here, which is very, very interesting. I'm taking a look here at the internet, and I came across this week of distribution pattern, which is taking place on BTC at this point. So pay attention to this BC, UT, UTAD, which if I zoom into BTC, we have them right here. 1, 2, UTAD. This is UTAD, which actually takes out the highs. Okay, so we have two upside, we have the BC and the UT, which in my opinion are these two highs right here. We have the UTAD, which is this one, and currently in my opinion we could be around here, okay, at the test region. We're still testing the highs. If this distribution pattern works out, this means, or if in this case this distribution pattern is actually taking place on BTC, it means that the top is already in. So what would be confirmation of that? In my opinion, to confirm that the top is in, or that we're going to see some sell-off, one would anticipate, or one would like to see this possible trend line, okay, right here. You want to see price showing signs of weakness, okay. You want to see a downtrend begin on the 4-hourly and then following it on the daily, and you want to see some heavy volume coming within this sell-off. Now, a clear invalidation for this distribution pattern would be a move and the daily or weekly close above this 10,470, which is, just as I showed you, this heavy resistance region. If, to be honest, if price manages to get above that level, I would be anticipating a very rapid move to the upside. Okay, one more thing to look at right here is this possible descending triangle with this fake out right here. So yeah, we have a bullish argument and a bearish argument, but for a swing type of trade, your trigger would be either above here or a downtrend, or the beginning of a downtrend at these kind of levels would be the trigger for a move either down or a continuation higher, which might take the price to 14k as a first level, and then this could actually go much higher, because you're coming from a massive sell-off right here, and then price could easily skyrocket once again. Everybody knows BTC, how fast it can move, but for now it's just about waiting for the right move. Either we're going to begin a downtrend right here, and in my opinion, if a downtrend starts, in my opinion, this week of distribution pattern will take place, and I would be targeting a move back to around 7k, which is, I'm going to say it, this golden pocket right here. Okay, a move to the golden pocket, 6,500, 6,250, a move to that region. So This is what I had to share with you guys on BT.